Drivers are important, as they maintain a stable bridge between the hardware and the operating system of your PC. You must update them regularly to avoid an unstable system. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. How to update drivers in Windows 10? First, the user can choose to update their drivers with the default Windows update. To do so, search for the Windows Update setting in the search bar. Now, click on Check for Updates. If you have some of the updates due, update them right away. The next option is to update drivers via the Device Manager. Search for Device Manager in the search bar and click on it. Now, right-click on any of the programs to check the available update. Click on Update Driver from the expanded list, and then select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. By doing so, the drivers will be updated automatically to the newest version available. If you wish to update the drivers by yourself, search for a specific device driver on the web. Click on the manufacturer's site, and check whether they have the driver version you are looking for. You can also choose to update your drivers using the Best Driver Updater. To do so, search for the Best Driver Updater on the web, and click on the Best Drivers 2021 list. Download the most recommended driver updater, BID Driver Updater, for better results. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and launch the app on your PC. Simply click on the Scan button to start the scanning process for driver updates. Once the process is complete, click on the drivers that need to be updated. You can choose to update all the drivers simultaneously in one go as well. Follow the further instructions and update all of the selected drivers. For better functioning, it is mandatory to restart your PC after the update. Click on the Restart button to do so. And voila, it's that easy to update your drivers using BID Driver Updater that even allows you to backup and restore your data prior to the update. Lastly, it is safe to say that BID Driver Updater can help your update drivers on Windows 10 due to its powerful functionality and useful features. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos from Innovana Thinklabs, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss an update.